Well done! Let's clean the house. First, let's make the bed. Tap the sheets to make the bed. Good job! Tap the pillow to put it on the bed. Well done! Tap the teddy bears to put them in their places. Good job! Well done! Next, let's help Howie vacuum the room. Drag the vacuum cleaner to clean the floor. Super! Now we are going to clean the window. Drag the cleaning spray to the window. Super! Drag the cloth to the window to wipe off the foam. Well done! Let's get the room ready for the party. Tap the party decoration to put it in the right place. Good job! Good job! Super! Tap the cake to put it on the table. Nice job! What a great party!